Hey YouTube, this is Alex here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the mauler. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Here's a picture of the mauler right here. There's his bio. There's a picture of him right here. You can collect these. You can collect Marcus, Cantus, Dom, Scourge, Baird, Mauler, Cole, and Cock Soldier. And here's a picture of him on the other side. So let's get to the unboxing. I really don't care about the box. Box is nothing special. I mean, if you want to keep that, you can. You don't really have to. Just a little background type thing. Okay, so here's the figure. It has zip ties on the back. You can fast forward if you want to. Has a zip tie on the flail. Zip ties on the flail. Has a zip tie on the boom shield. And that is it, I believe. So, here's the figure. The articulation isn't the greatest because it's such a big character, but you can rotate his hand. You can put his arm up and down, in and out, up and down. Right here, the elbow, the head can move. You can actually take this off. Head moves. Doesn't really move up and down because of this neck thing. But yeah, the knees move. That body moves up and down. I mean, not up and down, left to right. The legs don't really move at all. But yeah, here's the flail. This isn't the chains are actually like a silicone rubbery type thing. Same with the flail, but the handle is actually like a soft plastic. But yeah, let me show you what he looks like with everything. Here's the boom shield. It's actually a pretty cool boom shield. I might have a little trouble putting the thing on, but oh well. I can always just put like a rubber band on it or something. And I'll just try one more time. It's not really working. But yeah, here's what the boomer looks. The boomer. If you can hear that, that's my annoying dog. Here's actually the Cock Soldier, too, if you guys want to see it. But anyways, this is about the Mauler. So yeah, he's actually a pretty cool figure. The detail they put into it is actually pretty nice. It's pretty cool detail. The knee can move up like that. The feet do not swivel. But yeah, the colors of this are actually pretty cool. The arm pads are like a silicone rubber. I mean, the elbow I mean the shoulder pads, I'm sorry. But yeah, they put actually a pretty good detail into it. But otherwise, yeah. But the reason why his legs don't move is because he's such a massive figure. It's kind of hard to make his legs move. But yeah, here's the front of him with his flail on. Here's his boom shield. And here's the back of him. It's a pretty nice detail. What I like about it is you can take the helmet off, which is actually pretty cool. And then it just looks like a regular boomer. This boomer's pretty badass. I actually like the boomer a lot, so I'm glad I have him. Yeah. But I mean, I will be doing other unboxings of Cantus and Scourge, so stay tuned. There's nothing really to tell. I mean, there's nothing really to say about the Mauler, but I mean, if you really want a stiff character like this, or a massive character, then I'd recommend it, but I wouldn't recommend it if you don't want stiffer characters like this. But yeah, I mean, I like him a lot. He's gonna be in my collection. And just to tell you guys that this is my first, these are my first 4, so don't get all mad. I'm gonna be buying more, gears and some more Locust, but yeah, I just started collecting these 2. But I'm also getting Clay Carmine, Damon Baird, and Marcus Phoenix when they come out in August is on toywiz.com. But yeah, okay, so yeah, I actually like the detail on the back, the top of the back. It's pretty cool. They put good detail into the body, like the skin and stuff. So yeah. But otherwise, this is a great figure to buy. I recommend getting them if you want like a boomer or something like that. But yeah. So later, I guess. Peace.